What you doing, Daisy?
Something.
Can you believe that? We just put that on 3 days ago. Gemma! Really? Another dog? Really? Another dog? And you just wanted to say hi, huh? I have to close the door. Huh? Alright. We still gotta work, Gemma. So, go back. Well, we know who's driving the next leg. So we have just counted the amount of times that we have moved this together. And we came up with four.
It's our fourth time, but it's less and less every time. And it's going to be even less this time.
There's nothing I can say.
We need to go to the elevator.
Okay. Okay. Aye.
First load in.
Wow. Now, that's progress. The downside is that needs to go on the bus. I don't think so. How's that gonna happen? Oh, we'll see. Wow, so we were like 2 rows in to the top.
And we still have space.
And we still have space.
From
And this is half of what we had in Arkansas.
I had a 10 by 20. Oh yeah, this is half. Now we've got a 5 by 10.
Yeah, 5 by 10. So we had wow.
Right here.
Huh?
We've got a big box on a little box.
Okay.
That's great. Close the door. Did you have a hard time getting it?
No.
Somebody tried to pry it open.
Wow. Only took a whole day. Alright, saying goodbye to our little trailer. We thought it was gonna work, but it didn't. So we now have to leave it. Corey will come and get it and repair it, I think. If not, we'll see. But for now, well, we're done with the little trailer and heading out. It's getting super cold here. I don't even want to say the word heading out anymore because every time I do that, something else happens. We're all tied up, packed up, on our way to be continued.